Artichoke Zucchini. Most people don't like zucchini. And around here we get zucchini washed and people just kind of throw it away. We're gonna pack it full of flavor. Hi everybody, I'm Reverend Loretta Jones.
Hi, I'm Gabby.
And this is Cooking with Auntie. You can use either fresh or frozen spinach.
Okay.
Today we have fresh. Turn the stove on. I've added a little bit of oil to this pan. You should have it on about a medium-high heat. It's called wilt the spinach.
Okay.
Spinach will wilt in about 3 minutes. You can hear it. Spinach is full of water. You get the spoon and just begin to stir it, and you'll see it wilt down.
It wilts so quickly.
Right in here. In here already is cream cheese. And we need to just mix the spinach and the cream cheese together. Let's add 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Stir that in. Here, some artichoke hearts. I'm gonna chop those up. I take the knife and kind of rough chop it. Just add that in to our mix here and stir. And we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Flavor Town. There's a cup of mozzarella cheese. We're gonna put a little garlic pepper in it, kick up a little heat, red pepper flake. Add the black pepper. We have green zucchini and yellow squash. Green zucchini, take the ends off of it, slice it into about 1-inch rounds. We're slicing the squash just like we did the zucchini. We need a pan here. And again, we're going to oil the pan, and we're going to place them. They should be separate. Then we're going to take the little spoon and we just fill it. Fill the tops. There you go. It takes a little time. Let's put some more cheese on here. So go into a 400-degree oven, about 15 minutes. It's nice and soft.
It smells so good too.
Have this nice little bento box.
Let's see, we can have a squash.
Get a squash. Another zucchini there. It's been great today cooking with you.
Yes, thank you so much for showing me around the kitchen.
And I love cooking. I love Christmas. We're gonna get through 2020. It's gonna be all right.
Yes, ma'am, it is. We're almost to the end.
And all we got to do is remember, wash our hands, wear our masks, and keep our distance.
Yes.
And the vaccine is on its way.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, kids, bye-bye. Enjoy your Christmas. Don't be naughty, be nice.
If you guys enjoyed cooking with us today, bye.